I haven't filmed anything since California, so where are we at? We're in Crestview, Florida, and last night I asked Steve, I said, why is it called Crestview? And he said, because there's a giant tube of toothpaste here, and everyone just stands there, it's Crest, and they stare at it. I've seen these folks before. This is their 4th time at this is the former NBA star Chris Mullen.
Hey, what's going on?
He drove 9.5 hours. Everyone give him applause. 9.5 hours? How far did you drive?
About 1 hour.
1 hour. 1 hour. 1 hour?
Mobile, Alabama, hour and a half.
You guys came all the way from Tennessee?
Columbia, Tennessee.
You're from the Volunteers? How about you? Where are you from?
Tallahassee, Florida.
Tallahassee. What's Tallahassee famous for?
Florida State Seminoles.
Woo!
Yeah, go Noles!
Yes! Oh, wait, do it again. Woo! Oh, man. Wow. Look, by the way, I got to give her a shout out. Buc-ee's, the greatest store that, no offense to Walmart, the greatest store that mankind ever invented. And she came all the way from Alabama.
That's right.
With a banjo on your knee? No? Wait, do you know her?
Yep.
And?
But it's not, it's Roll Tide.
Roll Tide, do it. Come on, do it.
Roll Tide.
Bluntstown.
How far is that?
Florida.
2 hours?
About 2 hours.
Buc-ee's sandwiches has to be cooked on a Blackstone.
They should be, I know.
Amazing.
Buc-ee's is a great place, and their only flaw is they don't sell Blackstone Griddle. Captain America in attendance.
Yep.
Where are you from, Captain America?
Mariana.
How far is that?
About an hour and a half.
Okay, thank you for coming out. Are you a griddler?
Oh, yes.
Okay, because occasionally I'll talk to people and they'll be like, no, I just sat down and looked fun. Where are you from?
Mariana, I'm with him.
You know him?
Yep, I know.
All right. Do you know her?
Yep.
Do you know him? All right. Man.
We are now from here, actually.
You just moved here?
No, my husband retired here, so.
Wow, where were you from originally?
Originally from California.
California, and where'd you move from to here?
We were stationed in North Carolina before here.
Wow, so all over the place.
Yes.
Welcome to Florida. Have you ever had it before?
I've never had it.
I know you Gators, you think I'm pulling a Tebow, taking a knee in front of the griddle. I'm not. I'm just.
I was impressed.
Yeah. That's probably the first time I've mentioned Tim at one of the demos. Bacon fried corn first, or we could do the pasta Todd. I mean, that's a popular one. Or we could also do, I'm thinking about what I forgot as I'm standing here looking around. Or we could do some chicken street tacos. Man, they are very popular this year. Or a sandwich that we made in California and Arizona, but we haven't made it the last 3 weeks. I call it a chopped cheese torta. It's like a New York chopped cheese sandwich mixed with a traditional Mexican style torta. So, what do you guys think?
Yes.
Is anybody into fire walking? Do you want to come up here and have at it? So chicken, it's just chicken breast that we've diced up with garlic. Who likes garlic? Yes! Ow! Garlic, baby. Oh, it's a lot of garlic. Precisely measured, as you can see. At 4.1297 3/8 tablespoons.
I'm live.
Live. Everyone say hi. He's live. Whoa. Everybody, so this is Steve Schmidt, and you'll see him on Facebook. He does a lot of Facebook live streams, and now you're part of it. So I keep taking a knee. Man, I haven't even accomplished anything yet. I gotta be careful. Apparently, this is the featured seasoning of the day. Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning. Without knowing it, I decided to switch things up today, and we're using this in 3 out of the 4 recipes. So I hope you like Tex-Mex. If not, you're gonna be in trouble today.
Oh, we got Rich on.
Hi, Rich.
We got Chad on.
Hello, Rich and Chad. You're such a Chad. Don't people say that all the time? What does that mean? Is it good or bad?
It's not the Chad.
Oh. All right, jalapeno. Why are you getting jalapeno my griddle? That was supposed to be funny, man.
That was great.
Here we go. No, that's not the jalapeno. Where is it? It's hiding on it. Is it over here? Aha, I found it. Here we go, jalapeno. Oh man, a little spice. taco time. Who likes tacos? Yes. Look at that. Woo. So who won the spatulas? Was that you? Deborah?
I did.
Yes, you're gonna like them. They are real. I've been using them like crazy ever since I got them, so. They're super duper light. You know those other ones that I showed you, just if you're doing it for a long time, they kind of hurt your wrist, and these are so light, you kind of flip them around and try. Yikes. Oh, I'm afraid of that mirror. There we go. Glenn with 2 ends. Where's Glenn with 2 ends? He's not around. Okay. All right, so taco meat's looking good. About a year or so ago, I decided, you know, I needed some more moist tacos. I'm like everybody else. I'll make them real quick. Meat, cheese, lettuce on a taco shell. And then, you know, you go to one of these taco joints and you get a taco. It's so moist and succulent. And how do they do it? Well, one day I had an idea, and I thought, well, what if I grab one of those cans? What if I grab one of those cans of enchilada sauce that you find on the shelf in the store? Grab a can of enchilada sauce, and even though it's supposed to be for enchiladas, what if I use it for tacos? And I thought, I'm gonna boldly go where no man has gone before. In my mind, I'm sure somebody's done it. So I gave it a try. I love it. It's my new favorite thing to do. And I put the meat over here. It simmers and it soaks up this juice. And then we go ahead and toast up our tortillas, go inside, and things get insane because we're putting crunchy onion on there. Not a sauteed onion. Everything I do is sauteed, right? But on this, we go with a crunchy raw onion, and we go with some Mexican crumbling cheese, and we'll go with some lime, some fresh lime, fresh cilantro. It's gonna be incredible, hopefully. Hopefully.
Word of the day is phenomenal.
Phenomenal. It's gonna be phenomenal.
Yes.
That's the word of the day?
That's the word of the day.
Who sets the word of the day?
I did today.
Oh, you're like Governor DeSantis. He just called it in. All right. Oh, that's looking good, isn't it?
Yes.
Man. All right, where are we at? So now we're going down with taco shells. Mission came out with a tortilla lately, and they're a street taco size. And now you see a bunch of companies do it. This one had a new one that, thank you, that we had never seen before. A low carb option. How about that? Yes. And they're real nice. They're just smaller, you know, street taco size tortillas, something like this. So perfect. And we use the flour on the tour. Corn's nice, but you have to double them up because they're so weak. And these are nice because you can usually just go with one tortilla. The Hispanics have a round cast iron griddle that they use to toast up tortillas. They call it a comal. So whether you're doing a raw tortilla or one that's pre-cooked like this works great as a comal. Here, Raul, can you hold this camera for me, sir? Yes, sir. Here, you can come up here if you want to. Thank you. All right, it's rolling. I'll just hold it. Yeah. Thank you. All right, so let's come over here, and we'll do some more tortillas. They put a mirror up here this year, folks, because last year people complained. They said, hey, you know, we would love to have a mirror or a TV set. There you go. You can see it. They're trying to turn me into a...
Thank you very much. Good job, Leah.
I can't top the wagon. He gave us a mirror so we can look up. They're trying to turn me into a narcissistic griddler this year, so I always stare at my hair in the mirror. Griddler on the trailer, who's the fairest of them all. You can see though, check it out. Look at those in the mirror. Look at that. Yes. Yeah. What do you think? Is it toasted to perfection, Raul?
Perfection. Yeah.
Said perfection. All right. Oh. Oh. Phenomenal. Can you give me a phenomenal?
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Yeah.
He's like, no, they were terrible when I had one yesterday, but you'll see a lot of people using Blackstones like this. This is why we like to show it in food, tent, and truck kind of situations. And it's kind of fun. I mean, something I take for granted to make a taco, but people have made entire businesses out of this. So it's just fun sometimes to start with something simple, like a taco. There we go. Look good, Raul?
Oh yeah, delicious.
Should we save Raul a taco?
For sure.
Ay Chihuahua.
Ay, Chihuahua.
Ay Chihuahua, Katie's a taco. Yes!
Delicioso.
The guy at the window of the Burger King promptly took my order for 1 sandwich, 1 onion ring, and 1 drink. I didn't know this until I was doing the receipts like a month later. Charged me like $45, like for 3 cakes, 5 sandwiches. What on earth? But I called back and it was like, you know, went to some giant corporate number and like I could never get a hold of him. So yeah, Daffy Duck. He was at the window and he was like, seriously, it was the weirdest thing. But I'll always remember that now. There's a Daffy Duck masquerade and ripoff artist that works at a Burger King just south of Logan, Utah.
Onions?
Sure.
Oh yeah, cilantro. Little Mexican crumbling cheese on there. Fresh lime. Little crema. Oh my goodness.
More?
Yes, oh.
You want to see me make faces, huh?
Just 1 drop's all I need. Yes! Yes! Woo! Look at this line. Man, this line goes on for miles. I don't think I'll be able to make the end of it.
Taco time.
Taco time?
Taco Sunday.
They were phenomenal.
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 It's phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
They were awesome.
Outstanding and phenomenal.
Phenomenal!
I can't say that word.
She can't say the word
This
phenomenal.
is your one. This is your chance.
Phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Yes.